Hello Geminis, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video we'll be having a look at the messages what can be expected in the coming days or the second half of May. And the extended will be done also this time, and the link to the extended will be given in the description box below, and through that you can join me on Patreon. So as I've joined Patreon now, so the extendeds will be available there. So if this reading resonates with you, you can check it out there on Patreon. The link will be in the description box. Okay. Okay, so let's see what's there for Geminis for the coming days of May. We have the Star, the Three of Pentacles, the Ace of Pentacles, the King of Cups, the Chariot, the Eight of Swords, the Five of Cups, the Four of Cups, and the Magician. Okay. So Geminis. So Geminis, you're starting in the recent past. What I feel is there has been something which was your wish fulfillment, your dream come true. Everything was very beautiful. All your wishes fulfilled. Okay, maybe you were teaming up with people or collaborating with people or working in a team, something like that. Okay, and you had a new beginning. Okay, so whatever this was, it was your dream come true. You had a new beginning, and for that you had to collaborate with each other or get together and then do that work, some sort of teamwork or something like that, or taking opinions of others and then starting this new venture, whatever it was. Okay, if it is a relationship, then maybe you found this person at your workplace, can be as a part of your team, can be that. Okay, so this is how you started. That's what I'm getting. And everything was it's like when you meet a person and you just are all, oh my God, this is my dream come true. I found the right person type of a feeling. Okay, and then you had a new beginning which seemed to be very stable and sort of long term and committed, but it's new and you started off beautifully. Then we have the King of Cups, the Chariot, and the Eight of Swords. So what I feel here is that there were a lot of emotions here. A lot of emotions were there. Things started moving forward pretty fast. Things got rolling in a very balanced way. Everything was fine, but something happened here with the Eight of Swords, which was not good. Definitely, we'll clarify that, and that will be on Patreon, obviously. But then here something has happened which has really, what I feel is, sort of shook the balance of this relationship. Something here has happened which is now making you very reluctant to come out of that. So what is that instance? What that is, we'll be clarifying that. It seems to be something important here, because after this incident, whatever is this Eight of Swords, we have the Five of Cups, the Four of Cups. So definitely this is a phase which is in the present and in the near future that you are really very upset. You are really very upset, and the situation is that you are too focused on on what you've lost, or too focused on the past, that you are not even able to understand what the universe is giving you. Maybe somebody new is coming in, maybe somebody new is showing up in your vicinity, but the thing is you are not able to perceive that person or identify that person or that opportunity, whatever it is for you. Okay, that is what the scenario here is. But at the end of the reading here we have the Magician. So something is definitely here which is very, very important, which points out as to what change has happened on this aspect, because ultimately you are getting back up strongly and manifesting a new beginning for yourself. So what I feel here is that though you are not able to identify what this cup is which is being offered to you by the universe, but then yes, from the Five of Cups to the Four of Cups, some sort of sadness, some degree of sadness has definitely lessened. So maybe what I feel is, maybe slowly and steadily you must be coming out of that grievances or though that sadness, whatever was making you upset, and slowly maybe there has been a transition time. That's what I'm expecting with the clarifiers. I don't know what it will be. What I feel here is that something must have definitely happened which has led to that confidence back in you, which has helped you to come out of this agony and this pain and being upset and not able to step outside or step out of this relationship or whatever it was which was holding you back. Okay, so this is something which is very very important. That's what I feel. But after that you are ready for a new beginning. So the contrast of the energy points out that definitely there is something going on over here. Something has happened which has landed you up in this Eight of Swords, and then something has really happened here and which is important in your life, which has given you the strength and the energy to get back up and start anew, with the Magician being there. So as far as this reading is concerned, you've had everything fine, then something happened. I'm just trying to summarize it. Something has happened over here definitely which has landed up in a situation in which you are really very upset, and there is definitely a phase of anxieties, the depressions, not able to come out of it, very very gloomy phase. But the thing is, slowly and steadily you are coming out of it. You will be coming out of it, and with the Magician being there, you will be ready to manifest new beginnings in your life by the end of the month. Let's see what is the message from this deck. The Tower, yes, unexpectedly something has happened. That's what I was saying. Something is wrong here, because after the Chariot, immediately you are having the Eight of Swords, Five of Cups, and the Four of Cups. So definitely something unexpected has happened. Everything was going on fine. Everything was like a fairy tale, and suddenly something has happened. We'll see that in the clarifiers. Let's see what is the message from the guidance from the angels for this reading for Geminis. Four of Emotion. There are wonderful people who wish to help you. Opportunities are being offered to you, but you aren't noticing or trusting the gifts heaven is bestowing upon you. Look around you. Daydreaming or going within is a healthy way to get clarity as long as you act upon your dreams. So this is what you're doing. Somebody new is perhaps coming in, something new is showing up, but the thing is you are not able to focus on that. You are not noticing or trusting that what the heaven or the universe is giving you, that is more right for you rather than what you were running after. Okay, so that is the relationship guidance for you, Geminis. So for those of you who want to follow me on Patreon, join me there and listen to the extended and just try to understand what it is, what are the additional messages, does the story remain same or it really uncovers to be something different. Okay, with all that clarities, we'll dig deep there. And for those of you who wish to stay till here, thanks for joining me on YouTube, and bye. Thank you.